Did you ever wonder how IKEA, the world-renowned furniture giant, started its journey? In 1943, a 17-year-old Ingvar Kamprad laid the foundation. IKEA, an acronym for Ingvar Kamprad, Elmtarid, and Agunarid, began by selling small items. From selling small items, IKEA soon realized the potential in the furniture market. IKEA didn't just sell furniture, they revolutionized how it was packaged and sold. In 1956, they introduced flat-pack furniture, turning the industry on its head. This allowed for efficient packaging, easy transportation, and affordable pricing. This innovation was a game-changer, setting the stage for IKEA's global expansion. IKEA's affordable and functional furniture quickly resonated with people around the world. Expanding beyond Sweden, IKEA established its footprint in over 50 countries, becoming a global household name. IKEA's philosophy of making good design accessible to all was a key driver of its worldwide success. Innovation didn't stop at flat-pack furniture for IKEA. The company has been pioneering sustainable practices, using eco-friendly materials and energy-efficient manufacturing. IKEA's commitment to the environment shines through in its designs. IKEA continues to redefine the furniture industry, always striving for better design and sustainability. More than just a furniture store, IKEA has left its mark on global culture. Its iconic blue and yellow stores and timeless furniture designs have become synonymous with modern living, influencing popular culture in profound ways. IKEA's journey, from a small Swedish farm to a global icon, is a testament to the power of innovation and vision. So, from its humble beginnings to becoming a household name, IKEA's journey is truly awe-inspiring. Starting from a small Swedish business, to revolutionizing furniture with flat packs, expanding globally, innovating sustainably, and impacting culture. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey. Until next time, happy decorating. We'd like to take this moment to say thank you for joining us on the story of IKEA, from humble beginnings to global icon. We hope you've enjoyed this journey as much as we have. If you're curious to learn more about the fascinating stories behind some of the world's most iconic brands, don't forget to follow our channel. Did you enjoy this video? Give it a thumbs up and let us know your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious. Thank you for watching the story of IKEA, from humble beginnings to global icon. We trust you found IKEA's journey as captivating as we did. If this video sparked your curiosity, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and follow our channel for more insightful content. Your thoughts matter to us, so we'd really appreciate if you could share your impressions in the comments below. Stay tuned for more fascinating stories from around the world. Until our next journey, keep exploring and stay curious.